Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We got a little new setup just because my room is so messy, so I was like, let's just move to the corner over here. But today's video is all about free stuff, so let's just call this Free Stuff Friday. So I'm gonna do an unboxing from PinchMe. Trying not to show my address, but here's the box. So PinchMe is a website that anyone can join. You don't have to be a blogger. It's weird calling myself like a blogger. You don't need to be an online personality influencer to get one of these. The purpose of a PinchMe box is basically market research. So they send you items and in turn, they just want you to review them 100% honest. So they can send that back to those companies and they can, you know, market and stuff accordingly. So how to get free stuff is you have to set up an account on PinchMe. Like I said, no cost to you, so you don't even have to put in the credit card information. I know some websites you're like, oh, a free trial with your credit card information. You're like, no, absolutely no credit cards are used to get a PinchMe box. So you set up a profile and then you answer some questions about you, and this is to tailor your box more towards you. Cause like me, I don't need baby and pregnancy stuff because I don't have a baby, you know? So by being as detailed as possible in your profile, you're gonna get one that's more tailored to you. And then every month on Sample Tuesday, they'll give you a bunch of items to pick, and then you pick what goes in your box, and then you get a box. And then again, like I said, all you have to do is review the items. It's kind of in the sense of, I know influencer boxes were a thing, and even Voxbox, you remember those? So they basically just want honest feedback about the products in the box. So we're gonna open mine, see what's in here. I've had this for a few days and I just haven't had time to film, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Okay, so this is the box. So let's open it. If you're new here, I just love free stuff. I'm really cheap, but I love shopping, so I feel like this fills that need of like getting new stuff, but also not paying for it. All right, here we go. This thing was sealed pretty tight. Ooh, okay. So it's pretty packed for a little box. As you can see, we got some kind of pills. There's a candy in here. So I'll show you what I got. So the first thing, this is what I noticed first. Sundown Naturals Multi-Daily Immune Support, little vitamins. And this is a really big size bottle, so I'm pretty impressed with that. So I've been wanting to take a daily multivitamin anyways, so pretty excited about that one. And they smell good. I don't know if it's this or something in the box, but it smells like oranges. A L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask, detox and brightens 3-day charcoal. Okay, and this is a pretty good size too. It's not like the lay-on mask, it's like the clay mask, which I think I like better. Those paper masks kind of gross me out now. Pacha soap, a clarifying charcoal soap. I think this is the good smelling thing in here. Ooh, okay. So this looks like it's from Lush and it smells like it's from Lush. So, ooh, okay, I really like this. This is gonna go immediately into my shower. I noticed with a lot of kind of free sample things, you kind of just stash it around till you need it. For me, once I get one, I put it in the shower, in the kitchen, so I use it basically almost immediately, because if I don't, then I kind of forget about it. Okay, these I actually kind of needed. So this is a Compeed blister cushion. It's like one of those Band-Aids you put around ankles or toes or anywhere else that you usually get like weird chafing with new shoes or anything. And they're those really thick Band-Aids. So these I needed, these I use pretty often, so that's a good thing to have. All right, next we got some kind of K-cup, Starbucks dark roast. I don't drink coffee, but everyone else I live with does, so this will be easy to just pass off on them. But a nice little K-cup, native deodorant, a good little size. It's a lot bigger than other sample size deodorants I've gotten, but it's also not a full size. But this will fit in my purse really easily, because there's a lot of those times where you're just walking around one day and you know you smell, but you don't have deodorant. So having a little one in your purse is pretty good. I've wanted one of these and they're so expensive in the store to just like try, because what if you don't like it? So it's those RX bars. They come out with a nut butter, and I've been wanting to try the nut butter so bad, so now I have an RX nut butter package. So this one is the honey cinnamon peanut butter. So I'm gonna, you know, cut up some apples, put this on it, and I'm really excited to try this. This one is a Skinny Girl, you know, the Skinny Girl brand, soothing body oil in sweet almond and coconut. I've actually never tried, one, Skinny Girl, and two, any kind of body oil, so this one smells really good too. It is winter though, and I am dry AF, so this will be a nice little addition, like post shower, put it on. I love candy. So this one is a cookie square from Michael and Augustin. I was gonna do a funny French accent, but let's just not. So a little sample size cookie, but I can always go for food. So as you're seeing, there's a lot of different things in these boxes. So like vitamins, beauty stuff, snacks, which I really like because then you get an array of things. They also can do pet stuff, baby stuff. So depending on your profile, then you get to pick from there. But you can kind of tailor it to things you want to try or things you might need. Got another cookie. Those are getting eaten ASAP. We got a lint truffle, always down for food. And then this one is a drunk elephant. And again, I've been hearing so much about this. I've been wanting to try it, but I'm also just really cheap. So now I got a pretty good size, this is 15 milliliters, pretty good size of a moisturizing sunscreen. So I'm really, really excited that I got this. Oh yeah, again with the food, like, do you know who I am? A balanced cookie dough bar. This one is pretty big, again, the size of my hand, so a good size bar. I've never tried this Balance brand, but I'm really excited to eat this because there's no sweet stuff in my house right now, so I'm pretty hungry. So it's good to have some kind of chocolate source in my house right now. And then finally, just a Garnier Fructiques. What is this? A hair mask. Ooh, I've never done a hair mask. I probably should. My hair is like straw, so maybe I'll give this a try tonight. I usually don't like when things like shampoo samples come in these little pouches, but for a hair mask, I don't see how else you would kind of do that, so I'll give it a shot this time. But I usually don't like when they come in these pouches because they're so hard to open once you're already in the shower. Like, you already need to like think about it beforehand, cut it, leave it in the shower, and then use it when you're showering. So I usually don't use the shampoo samples like this, but I'm gonna give this one a try. Okay, so that was my PinchMe box. Like I said, everything in there was free. They were all pretty good sample sizes. Like, I wasn't disappointed with like, oh, like, they could have given me like 2 pills and been like, try this out, but I have a whole thing of vitamins now. So I'm really, really impressed. And again, this is 100% free. So all you really have to do is then review these items. Essentially, all they want is your feedback. So you can even be completely honest and be like, this tasted terrible, because they want to know. They don't want you like kissing up to them. Like, they want 100% honest feedback. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you want to try this out for yourself. If you like free stuff, who doesn't? I'll leave that link down there for you. So like I said, anyone can try this. You don't need to be a blogger or an Instagrammer or anything. They really just want opinions from people. So if you like free stuff, give this video a thumbs up, and in the comments below, let me know what from my box you want to try the most. So I'm gonna go eat this, and I want you to have a great day. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay. All right. No, I'm going. PinchMe is an online website, obviously.